In this video, I'm going to share my first impressions of this new USB boundary microphone that is the MXL AC-44. You can connect it via USB, and because it's a boundary microphone, it is designed to pick up voices from 180 degrees in front of it. You can use it for video conferencing and for remote teaching, and MXL also highlights that telemedicine is another application for this microphone. This video is not sponsored. MXL sent this device to me as a review unit. Check it out with the links in the description below the video, and there you can also pick up my free video conferencing checklist. Let's have a look at the box first. There is the top of the box and the front. On this side, you can see what's included in the package. Here we have the main features on the back side, and here are the dimensions and that quality assurance sticker. As we open up the box, we see the microphone itself wrapped in plastic and protected by this foam padding. Let's get that out of the way. Here is an adhesive pad that you can use it to fasten it to a surface. There's that USB cable. And then in this plastic bag, there is some documentation for our microphone. Let's get everything unwrapped. And here we have the microphone itself, the USB cable one more time, that adhesive pad, and here's everything that's in the plastic bag. A warranty card, a quick start guide, a cautionary note, and what I believe is a sticker from MXL. Now let's have a look at the microphone itself. The mesh here is all metal, which means that this feels super well constructed and robust. On the back side here, we have the USB port and an auxiliary port. It feels like a well-made product, and it's also super compact. Let's jump over to a quick mic test on the table behind me. I'm going to start by playing a recording from the built-in microphone in my laptop for comparison. This is an audio sample of the built-in microphone in my ThinkPad X250. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. This is an audio sample of the MXL AC-44 boundary mic facing me. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. As I mentioned, this kind of microphone is designed to pick up a sound from in front of it and reject whatever is coming from the other side. So let's test that now by having it facing away from me instead. This is an audio sample of the MXL AC-44 boundary mic facing away from me. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. When positioned correctly, I think the MXL AC-44 sounds really good. The space where I'm recording is not ideal for this testing because there is a little bit of echo and traffic noise as well. But you can actually hear both of those on the recording, which means that the microphone is working as intended. A better environment for testing this microphone would be a quiet conference room or a space that has better audio treatment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to get an update when I have a more thorough review of the MXL AC-44. So a good impression of this microphone so far, but there is one design flaw. The USB cable is a USB-C to USB-A cable, which is good, and it is detachable, that is also good, but it is incorrectly constructed. Every other USB cable I've used, if you position it so that the USB logo is facing upwards, that is the correct way to insert the cable. Not so with this one. Because the cable is detachable, you can just use a different cable. I'm going to give you one more mic test, and that is comparing the MXL AC-44 to a conference speakerphone. This is the PolySync 20. The PolySync 20 is what I typically use in my hybrid meetings. Now, this is a bit of an unfair comparison because the PolySync 20 has built-in noise suppression, and I believe that the MXL AC-44 does not. This is an audio sample of the PolySync 20 connected via USB. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. This is an audio sample of the MXL AC-44 boundary mic facing me. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. So we hear the MXL AC-44 picking up much more of that background noise, but that is by design. You can, of course, use software to reduce that background noise, something like RTX Voice from NVIDIA or RN Noise in OBS Studio. If you want to hear my comparison of RTX Voice and RN Noise, then click or tap the screen right here. Check out the links below the video for additional resources. My name is Markus. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.